Welcome back to Kansas City. Today we're going to cover one simple thing, which is what business owners need to know in 5 minutes about level funding. So because of that, because I've got a hard stop of 5 minutes, I got to hustle here. But I'm going to start with the problem. Most American small business owners have been running on a fully insured chassis or a fully insured plan for their benefits, for their group of people, for their team. And fundamentally, that model has been seeing higher and higher trend increases as the people remaining in that model tend to be a little less healthy every single year. So because of that, the ones that stay on the fully insured model are now paying more and more and more. So if you're a Main Street business owner who's getting big increases and you do not know why, realize it may just be the structure of the program. It may just be the fully insured model. That brings up the number one solution that's grown hundreds of percent in the last number of years, called level funding or self-funding for small group. And those are very similar. All level funded plans are self-funded. Level funding has a couple more widgets. We're going to cover those widgets on how it affects you as the plan owner and how it affects your ability to take care of your people on Main Street. Number one, level funding has a thing called a claims account. That money is the business owner's account. It's the plan's account. It's their money. So if you put $50,000 in there to prepay your claims or pay for your claims throughout the plan year, realize if you don't use it on good level funded programs, that money stays with you. You're effectively able to prepay a portion of your cost, and if you don't use it, you keep it. Think about it like a corporate deductible for the plan, where your members or your employees or the members of the plan are able to submit medical expenses against that. So if you do not have any claims, then all of that $50,000 stays with you. Number two, they have a thing called stop loss. This is not complicated, it's very, very simple. Now there are a lot of nuances here, but high level, stop loss says if your group has a bunch of claims that go over the claims account, then stop loss is now going to reimburse the plan for those expenses. They're going to say, all right, you had $150,000 in claims, you had $50,000 in your claims bucket. Stop loss is going to reimburse the plan for the extra $100,000. Now, for those of you who have heard the words that I just used there, you might be saying, Tom, does that mean that the plan has to front the $100,000? And historically, the answer to that was yes. But now there's one more widget on these plans called accommodation, which enables Main Street operators not to have to front that money, to have it accommodated throughout the plan year. Now, with that, these plans have to pay, they have to stay with their plan for 1 year. And because of that, they're now able to get an accommodation. If they leave early, this is nasty. Do not leave early on these plans. But the accommodation enables the small employer to then pay for large claims throughout the plan year, even if the claims account has been already utilized. So those are the big three things that you see inside of a plan. In general, level funding enables Main Street to play by the same rules as the big guys have been using for years and not have to participate in the community pool of fully insured. Think about it like you're setting up your own country club pool for you and your members, rather than sending them off to the community pool where everybody has to swim together. This is the way in which Main Street has been moving away from the fully insured model, reducing their total cost because they're able to underwrite to the actual risk of the group or gatekeeper, whoever's coming to the country club pool, and keep the money if it's not utilized. So if you're a business owner and you're getting smashed in the face by fully insured renewals and you're saying, I can't afford this anymore, when's somebody going to fight for me? Level funding has been around for years. Great brokers have been doing it for decades. And ask your broker why you haven't explored it. And if they don't have a great answer for you, time to find another broker. I hope this was informative. I don't know if I stayed at 5 minutes. I went as fast as I could. There's a lot of information about level funded plans. I hope you go out there, fight for your employees, fight for your own future, and fight for the future of Main Street. All right, we'll see you in a bit.